My fellow St. John officers, cadets, and volunteers, this St. John Day, we find ourselves at a crossroads. We are coming out of 3 years of the COVID-19 pandemic, where many things have changed, from the way events are run to the way people interact. It is a time for us to reflect and assess how the St. John movement in Singapore can continue to contribute to our local communities and society at large in our new normal. I have just come to the helm as the new Chief Commissioner of the Brigade, and in my tenure, I hope to create more value for all our members and our communities. I see our place in Singapore as very important. St. John Brigade is a place for young people to be introduced to a healthcare setting and being first responders, especially crucial in an aging Singapore. Besides that, it is also a place where we grow values and life skills and become better citizens. Our cadets learn about the spirit of volunteerism, of empathy and care, and of being responsible and resilient, to say the least. All these are values and soft skills that will help get you through life's challenges. We will continue, like our motto says, to serve humanity. In Singapore, we continue to serve our communities through public service and mass events which are returning, as well as reaching out to our surrounding communities through service projects. I also hope we can do more as a St. John movement to support our friends and family around us who are in distress, be it physically or psychologically, by strengthening our first responder skills. The aim is to have a first aider in every household and in every classroom, where we can respond to emergency medical conditions requiring CPR, or to lend a listening ear and peer support for mental health via psychological first aid skills. Each of us, using our small sphere of influence, can form a stronger and larger network of support for Singapore. And through it all, where we build meaning, I also hope we can have fun together. Some of the best memories of when I was a St. John cadet involve activities like adventure camps, canoeing, and campfires. Remembering that a CCA is also about developing strong and lifelong friendships will be your support network for life. The next chapter of St. John's story is ours to have. With that, I wish all of you a meaningful and happy St. John's Day.